ang choose natin ay babae. No. Yes, ito na lang babae. Yay! Tapos, kay mama, which animal is pink? Ito. Cow? X. Mali yun. Sino? Tama! Pero, balahibo niya ay white. What does LOL stand for? U. Lean out loud. X. Mali. Ito. Laugh out loud. Yes. It's time for break day. Tapos, start. Cat, check. Hippo, X. Elephant, check. Mali yung isa mo, ha? B. Cabbage, mali. Car, beans, pizza yan. Tapos, ikaw naman, sheep, mali. Fish, tama. Eiffel Tower, Tapos na ang class, tapos magsha-sharpen pens. Yan, perfect. Sharp pa more. Not sharp. Yan, ala, nearly there. Not sharp. Not sharp. Not sharp. Ready for class. Tapos, mamonitor the holes. Ayan. Football. Send to principal. Tapos, isa naman. Let go. Stop the bully! Tapos, sa stand natin. Bang! Sapog! Ready for class. Tapos na ka na ba? Do a family eating dinner together. Mali. Do a couple getting married. Do a child learning to swim. Tapos na ang klase. So, ko malaki. Yan. Ayan. Perfect. Uh-oh. Not really there. Not sharp. Not really there. Not sharp. Maliit.
I need a kunai. This is correct.
Golf balls are white. Ruby is played with a racket. X. Tennis is played on the pitch. Yes. X. B. Soccer is played on the pitch. Ice hockey is played on the rink. But it will score points. Hey. Soccer is played with a ball. Play with a soccer to rise. Yes. Tama. Tapos, fa-find ko yung cheaters na nangongopya. Ayun! Yeah. Tapos, ayun! Gotcha! Saan ba yung cheaters? Ayun. Yeah, step outside! Tapos, dog, goat, cow. daw. Kasi yung sagot mo eh. Tapos, magpo-full video tayo. Snake, X, duck, check, sheep, check. Magpo-full video. B. Tapos, pagtapos ito, N, hat, X, frog, check, fox, X. Bye-bye mga guys! So na yon, mag-like, share, and subscribe na kayo. Mula sa muli, bye-bye!